So now we're ready to perform the leak test. We're gonna fill it up with water in between the seals here. So we will fill onto this fitting. It's a 1/4 inch NPT to BSB. So for this we need safety glasses, and I'll go get my pump, just a normal water pump. We're gonna perform the pressure test here of 28.5 bar or 22.5 if a leak test is approved by the client. So since this is a class 150, I will use the 28.5 bars on this. And when the leak test is done, we will fit all the locking nuts with the torque of 40 Newton meters, and then job is done after. So 28.5. Just make sure you get all the air out. Okay. Okay, let's see the pressure. So we're going to 28.5. Oh, there we go. Now we'll have to wait for 30 minutes to see if it's an approved pressure test. So now we passed the 30 minutes. Now we will release the pressure and take away the pump, and then finish it with the lock nuts. So I'll release the pressure down to 0 bars. Now we'll unscrew on top here. After this hose is gone, we need to drain the area. If you're doing a pressure test in an Arctic or in a -degree temperature, you need to apply glycol in your water so it doesn't freeze up. Then we are ready for the lock nuts. We're gonna apply half of the torque we did on the other nuts. So first of all, you need to fit all of them. So, 40 Newton. Okay, last one. Good. Now just remove the lifting eye and then replace this fitting under here with the same as this and tighten it. And then you have the tie-in complete.